Have y'all seen these crazy Demon Slayer edits, bro? And then they go like, shouldn't have fallen in love. Look what it made me become. I let you get too close just to wake up alone. And I know you think you could run. Scared to believe I'm the